Hello, friends. Okay, I'm going to go over with you how to use the formula for circumference. So first of all, there's four important words we really need to know. So circumference, all right, that's the distance all the way around the circle. It's like the perimeter of the circle. Diameter, that's the distance across a circle going through the center, okay, end to end. It's the long one. Radius, that's the distance from the center to the edge of the circle. And if you notice, that's half of diameter. Okay, that's really important. And then we learned about pi. Pi is the ratio of circumference to diameter for any circle, no matter the size. And it's written like this, that little pi symbol. And it's approximately 3.14 as a number. So since we know that, we can utilize this information. So we set up the formula, circumference equals diameter times pi. Substitute in the value given, so circumference or diameter. However, if they give you radius, you got to find diameter. So just a side example, if radius was 2, diameter is 4. So I would substitute 4 in for diameter. Solve for the missing value using 3.14 for pi. Check your work, use the information if you need to, okay? So I've got this first one. It says, an irrigation sprinkler waters a circular region with a radius of 14 feet. Find the circumference of the region watered by the sprinkler. So starting off with radius, we got this. Step 1, write the formula. Circumference equals diameter times pi. Now we need to substitute in the value given, but they told us radius equals 14. I can't use radius. That's D for diameter, but I can solve for diameter. So if this side is 14, that means that side's 14. If half of the diameter is radius, that means 2 radii gives you, 2 radii will give you the diameter. So 14 plus 14 or 14 times 2 gives you 28. The radius was 14 feet. The diameter is 28 feet. It's a good idea to just always get diameter and radius. Now we can do it. We don't know circumference yet. We know what the diameter is. The diameter is 28. Took it from right there, okay? Then, just because I want to combine this together, I know what pi is. Pi is 3.14 approximately. So I'm just going to put 3.14 there. And you'll notice that's why right here, this is a squiggly. It's no longer straight equal signs. This means approximately because we rounded pi. And now I do the math. I'm doing 28 times 3.14. And I'm going to get that, come on. It wouldn't let me write first. Circumference is approximately, I'm typing it into my calculator, 28 times 3.14 equals 87.92. So the circumference is approximately 87.92 feet. Okay, that was when we were given radius. Went from the more challenging one to here's the easier one. This one, they actually gave me diameter. It's a little nicer when they give you diameter first. So remember, I'm going to start off by writing the formula. Circumference equals diameter times pi. Well, right here, they gave me diameter. The diameter is 11 centimeters, and it's a really good strategy to just immediately say what the radius is. So if the diameter is 11, half of that is 5.5. I'm not going to need it, but it's good practice. All right, now substituting in the value given. They gave me diameter. Circumference equals 11 times pi. And I'm going to already write pi as 3.14, so I need to make those squiggles. The second I change pi to 3.14, I need to make it an approximate, not an equal. So 11 times 3.14 equals 34.54. So the circumference of this circle is approximately 34.54 centimeters. All right. So that's with diameter. We did before up here with radius. This last one, it takes this step further, but we got this. They're giving us circumference. So a circular pond has a circumference of 628 feet. A model boat is moving across the pond along a radius, okay, the radius, all right, at a rate of 5 feet per second. Okay, so this model boat is moving on the radius, but I don't know the radius, so I don't know that I need to worry about that yet. How long does it take the boat to get from the center, or from the edge of the pond to the center? Okay, so they're asking me something about the boat, but I know I need the radius, so I'm just gonna start there. Not even gonna stress about the boat until I figure out the radius. Start with the formula. Circumference equals diameter times pi. Let's figure out what we know. I know circumference is 628. I don't know my diameter. I don't know my radius. Lovely. Let's work backwards. Okay, well, they gave me circumference, so I'm gonna put circumference in its corresponding spot. Oh, I'm gonna make this a squiggle. Sorry. I don't know the diameter. I know what pi is. Oh, okay. This is an equation. A show. We got this. So it says the diameter times pi gives me the 628. So to undo anything like this, I need to divide. I'm dividing by 3.14. Whatever I do to one side, it's not writing. Oh my gosh, friends. Okay, I wrote that 3 like 10 times. Not gonna lie. Now I can do this. Okay, 3.4 divided by 3.14, that's 1. So the diameter is approximately, I'm using my calculator, you can't see that, but 628 divided by 3.14 equals 200. Woo! I got the diameter. It's 200. Wait, they wanted radius. Wait, I know radius. Oh, heck yeah. Radius is half of the diameter. So half of 200 is 100. Okay. Now I'm going to think about this boat. I don't even know what to talk about yet. So let's read it. A model boat is moving. Ooh, I didn't mean to do that. A model boat is moving directly across the pond along a radius. Okay, so it's going along that 100-foot line. I should have put feet at the end of these. I'm sorry. All right. It's going at a rate of 5 feet per second. So 5 feet, 1 second, 10 feet, 2 seconds, 15, 3. That's going to take forever. There's a faster method. It's 100. Oh, wait, the operation that takes a total and breaks it into equal pieces. I'm going to take the 100 feet and I'm going to divide it by the 5 feet per second to figure out that it will take them 20 seconds. Oh, get it. That's using circumference to solve problems. Okay, but I gave you 3 different examples. When you have, ooh, I'm getting crazy. When you have radius, how to solve for circumference. When you have diameter, how to solve for circumference. When you have circumference to solve for radius and diameter. We got this, friends. It's not too shabby. You can do this. All right, message me if you have any questions. Bye.